Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. So it's 2025 and you have finally had enough of the endless scrolls, likes and filtered perfection. You are ready to take back your time and delete Instagram once and for all. Let me guide you through the process step by step. Open the Instagram app. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture to head to your personal page no matter where you are. Once you are on a profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This brings up your settings and options. Since Instagram loves to reshuffle its menus and options, the fastest way to find the delete option is by tapping the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in DEL or delete. This will bring up the account deletion and deactivation setting. If you have more than one account, Instagram will ask you to pick which one you want to delete. Select the one you are ready to say goodbye to. Next, Instagram will give you two choices: deactivate your account, that you can use if you want to come back later, or delete your account permanently. Tap the option for permanent deletion, then hit continue. Instagram will ask why you are choosing to leave. Select any reason, let's say something else, and move on by tapping continue again. For security reasons, you will need to enter your Instagram password to proceed. Once entered, tap continue. You have reached the final screen. Take a moment if you need to, but if you are sure, tap delete account. Instagram will keep your data for 30 days. If you log in during this time, the deletion will be cancelled, but don't fall in this trap. You have made this decision for a reason. I hope this helps, and if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.